sir from Prime Patel Polytechnic, Bhayindar. Today we start the second chapter of computer network, that is network components and topology. Learning outcomes. The learner will be able to understand the basic concept of computer networks, topologies and components, then definition of topologies and components, and basic component of computer network, that is the first component, that is the cable. Introduction. Computer network devices are physical devices which are required for communication and interaction or connection between the devices on the computer network. Computer networking devices are the units that mediate the data in computer network and also called network equipment. There are various devices in computer network which are used to connect the computers, or which are used to devices which are used to connect the devices in network, like switch, hub, router, modem, bridge, repeaters, gateway, etc. Basic components of computer networks. The first one is cable. Networking cables are networking hardware used to connect one or more devices in the network, or to connect two or more computers to share the data, informations, and to share the printer and scanner, etc. Different types of network cables are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and which type of cables we use, it is completely depend on the network types, that is network topology and size of network. This is the cable which is the transmission media between sender and receiver. The transmission media may be wired media or may be wireless media. Wired media means cable, and there are three types of cable. One is coaxial cable, one is twisted pair cable, and one is fiber optic cable. The next one, the cable characteristics. Transmission medium means the cable is defined as the physical path between sender, that is transmitter, and the receiver in data transmission system. For guided media, electromagnetic waves are guided, means passed along with the solid transmission medium. The characteristics and quality of data transmissions are determined by the characteristics and the quality of the medium. Means the complete quality of data, characteristics and the quality of data is depend on which type of medium we used for transmission of that data. Here is a transmission medium, that is twisted pair cable, then coaxial cable and fiber optic cable, having different frequency range, having total attenuation, then typical delays and repeater spacing. The most important topic is repeater spacing, means what is the capacity of that particular cable and why we use the repeaters. That is to regenerate the signal to avoid the loss of data. In twisted pair cable, the frequency range is from 0 to 3.5 kHz. For twisted pair multi-pair cable, 0 to 1 MHz. Coaxial cable 0 to 500 MHz, and for fiber optic 180 to 330 THz. Means for long distance communication we always prefer the optical fiber cable or fiber optic cable. Next, types of transmission media. There are main two types. One is guided and another one is unguided media. Guided media, that is twisted pair cable. There are two types of twisted pair cable. One is shielded twisted pair and another one is unshielded twisted pair cable. Other than that, fiber optic cable and coaxial cable are also the type of guided media. Unguided media is radio wave, microwave and infrared. So let's start with one by one transmission media. Guided transmission media uses the cabling system. Guided means cabling, wired system that guides the data signals along the specific path. Guided media is also known as bounded media. Okay. Types of guided media. One is twisted pair cable, another one is coaxial cable, and third one is fiber optic cable. Guided media means wired media, cable media. Twisted pair cable. It is the most common type. This is the first type of guided media, that is twisted pair cable. It is the most common type of cable used in data communication. It is reliable, flexible, and cost effective. It consists of two insulated copper wires arranged in regular spiral pattern. A wire pair acts as a single communication link. Frequency range of twisted pair cable is 100 Hz to 5 MHz. This is the diagram of twisted pair. Check here. This cable is twisted with two conductors, one for positive signal, one for negative signal. An insulator cover is also there to protect the conductor. Characteristics of twisted pair cables, that is attenuation is strong function of frequency. Higher frequency implies the higher attenuation. Then susceptible to interference and noise. Improvement possibilities. Shielding with metallic braid or shielding reduce the interference. Twisting reduces the low frequency interference. Different twist length in adjacent pairs reduces the crosstalk. Applications of twisted pair. Twisted pair cables are used in telephone line to provide the voice and data channels. Then the DSL, that is digital subscriber lines, that are used by telephone companies to provide high data rate connection. Also use the high bandwidth capability, that is unshielded twisted pair cable. LAN also uses the twisted pair cable. Types of twisted pair cable. One is a shielded twisted pair cable, that is mesh shielding protects from EMI. It has two copper pair, high data speed and telephone company. This is twisted pair cable, that is the structure of twisted pair cable. There are two twisted pair conductors covered with foil shield, braided shield and outer jacket. Shielded twisted pair cables having advantages, that is reduce the interference faster than unshielded twisted pair cable and coaxial cable. Better performance at higher data rates. Disadvantages of shielded twisted pair cables are more expensive than unshielded twisted pair cable and coaxial cable. More difficult installation and setup. And last one is high cost. Types of twisted pair cable. One is unshielded twisted pair cable. Unshielded twisted pair cable is a set of twisted pairs of cable with a plastic sheet. Cables without a shield are called unshielded twisted pair cable. These unshielded twisted pair cables are easy to install and low cost. These cables having two conductor, then twisted pair having only outer jacket. There is no braided shield and there is no protection like shielded twisted pair cable. Unshielded twisted pair cable having advantages like easy installation and setup, capable of high speed for LAN, low cost for installation, and unshielded twisted pair cable is very flexible. Disadvantages: short distance due to the attenuation, limited bandwidth, it is very noisy. Unshielded twisted pair suffer from interference. Thank you. In next session, we learn about the next type of cable, that is coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. Thank you guys.